Good morrow. Oh no. Hello, my name is Tristan. I did a curly hair routine like 2 months ago, and it was trash. I didn't show any of the products. I didn't really talk about it. I just kind of let some music play through. And I showed what I did, but it just wasn't what I wanted. And honestly, this one's not that great either. But I mean, I promise I'm trying. Look, it's beautiful. It looks great. I mean, this is day 3 hair. I didn't really get any videos of. Fuck, what am I doing? I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is day 3 hair. I did just refresh it. It's looking great. It's feeling great. It's soft. It's got some volume. It might not look very volumized, but I got a big ass head. And honestly, my hair is kind of thin. So this, for me, this is volume. You know what I'm saying? If you have a similar texture to mine, or you just kind of like watching curly hair videos like I do, feel free to keep on watching and subscribe if you feel like it. I'm not gonna pressure you, but let's get into the video. Okay, so starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, I'm gonna go on my, oh my gosh, my Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture. I'm sorry that it's so dirty. That's a bunch of like crusty old dye. I take about a quarter size amount and I work that all throughout my hair. Starting off just detangling with my fingers and then going in with my Denman brush. Now splitting my hair into this god-awful middle part, I'm going to go in with my Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Penetrating Oil just to seal in that moisture. Mainly focusing this on the ends and then working it through the midst of my hair. Then going in with this curling cream from Beyond the Zone, I take about 2 pumps per each section of hair, really working that through the ends and the midst of my hair and brushing through that again with my Denman brush. And this is when I know my hair has enough product in it. When I see that glorious shine and you can just tell that my hair has a lot of slip to it, that's when I know my curls are going to be popping. Now going in with the Shea Moisture Curling Gel Souffle, I take about a quarter size amount of this and I work it through the ends and the midst of my hair once again. And I also really focus it on the back just because that's where my hair tends to get the frizziest the fastest. Then brushing that through again with my Denman brush. Now I'm going to section the very top part of my head. And I'm doing this because I learned this method from Mains by Mel, where how do I explain this? Like, she brushes her hair out with her Denman brush like in a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to lean my head completely to the side and kind of brush my hair outward, and that's going to help create more volume. And doing the same thing, well, kind of the same thing with the top part, just brushing it straight upward to ensure maximum volume. And now I'm just finger twirling my bang area just because I had to do a big chop on them, and lately they've just been trying to do whatever the hell they want, and I'm trying to keep them in check, and this is the best way for me to do that. Now just using whatever shirt I was wearing before I took a shower, I'm gonna be scrunching out any excess water and flipping my hair every which way just to make sure that I'm encouraging the curls all over my head to clump together. And wow, I'm losing my voice, this is annoying. Okay, just to help encourage my curls to clump together. Y'all know what I'm doing. I I like to diffuse my hair in the living room so that I can watch some TV and have something to do for this very long, tedious process. I'm using low heat. I mean, I know I'm not supposed to be using any type of heat, but like this heat doesn't feel like heat, if that makes sense. But basically, I'm kind of like scrunching with my diffuser. And I've heard that you're not supposed to do that either because it's supposed to like create more frizz or whatever, but I don't really see a problem with it. If anything, I feel like because my hair is not all curls, some of it is like a deep wave. Like doing that helps add more definition. I don't know what I'm saying, but like I hope you understand. And now that my hair is about 80% dry, I'm gonna let it the rest air dry while I do my makeup and all of that business. Whoa, we made it. Now I'm just gonna scrunching out whatever crunch I have left, and that's it. Okay, bitch, it's a good wash day. Okay. Oh, well, this part's falling a little flat. Oh, wait, is that why? Hold on. Let me figure this out. Alright, and that is the end of this video. If you liked it and you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. I mean, if you feel like it. I'm so bad at this. God only knows what I'm going to be posting. I'm kind of a mess. But I mean, I am going to be posting like hair related and just random bullshit. So if that's your vibe, then I mean, come join me. I leave all my social media linked down below. I'll probably put like a little card at the end of the video with all my social media if you feel like following that as well. Oh, and I'm taking Bianca Renee curly hair growth challenge where you just drink a shit ton of water and take vitamins and just see how long your hair can grow within a year. Right now, I'll just start wearing this shirt whenever I do like hair check. So it's like halfway. It's touching the weird side S. So I'm gonna be drinking a shit ton of water and like working out. I'm really trying to make 2020 my year of like growth and flourishing into womanhood, damn it. I'm gonna quit talking. Sorry, I'm rambling. I'll see y'all later.